Hi guys, so it's time to take your L2J quiz. You should have out a scrap piece of paper to record your answers on. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so your first number is 24B. 24B. Okay, so the question reads, a lunch costs $2.50. Jacqueline is at school 4 days a week, so how much money does she need for a week of lunches? Okay, go ahead and choose which answer that you think is correct for this question. We have A, $1.60, B, $6.50, or C, $10, or D, $1.50. Go ahead and pause the video now to give students a chance to answer this question. Okay, the next question is 34C. 34C says, what's the distance between E and D if each is 2 miles? This is what we did this week, so I expect you to work this problem out and make sure that you get it right. Our answers are A, 3 miles, B, 1.5 miles, C, 2 miles, or D, 6 miles. Make sure to just put A, B, C, or D for your whatever you think is correct. Go ahead and pause the video now to give students a chance to work it out. Okay, next is 12A. 12A says there are 50 empty seats on a bus and 20 passengers. What is the ratio of passengers to empty seats? A, 2 to 3, B, 3 to 5, C, 2 to 5, or D, 3 to 2. Please pause the video now. Next is 40C. I'm sorry, I put 46C. Let me go back. Okay, 40C. 40C says the net shown below forms a cube. Find the surface area of this cube. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, next, excuse me, is 50B. All right, 50B says, where does the upper quartile in this box and whisker plot lie? Is it A, 85, B, 70, C, 75, or D, 97? Pause the video now. Okay, next is 22B. If Jim has $50 to spend at the fair, if it costs $5 for admission and $2.50 per ride, how many rides can Jim ride at the fair? Write an equation for this situation. Okay, and the equations are listed below. Pause the video. All right, next is 5C. 5C, which is the last one, says, what is the LCM of 32 and 22? A, 24, B, 4, C, 352, or D, 4? Go ahead and choose which one you think is correct. Pause the video now. Okay, now we've answered all of the questions, so please put away all pencils, take out a grading utensil, trade with someone at your table, and let's go through these. All right, the first one was 24B. 24B, I would have to multiply 4 times $2.50, and the answer would be C, $10. So if they got it correct, leave it alone. If they got it incorrect, just draw a line through whatever letter that they wrote. Next, 34C. What is the distance between D and E if each is 2? Here we have E, so I just count by 2s until I reach D. So it would be 2, 4, 6. So D is your correct answer. Again, D is the correct answer. All right. Again, please write a draw a line through the answer that they had if they did not have D for the last one. If they got it correct, leave it alone. Next is 12. There are 50 empty seats on a bus and 20 passengers. What is the ratio of passengers to empty seats? If I divide both of those by 10, it would be C, 2 to 5. 2 to 5. So if they got C, please leave it alone. If they did not, draw a line through it. Okay, next is 40. C. 40C, the net below forms a cube. Find the surface area of the cube. I know that for each square, it would be 2 times 2, which is 4. If I add up 4 6 times or do 4 times 6, it would be 24. And so the answer is 24 squared units. If they got it correct, leave it. If they didn't get 24, then draw a line through whatever they wrote. B for 50B is, where does the upper quartile on this box and whisker plot lie? Okay, the answer is A. 85 right here would be the upper quartile. If they didn't get A, go ahead and draw a line through whatever they got. If they got it right, leave it alone. A is the answer for 50. All right, problem 22. 22B. Okay, it's the one about the fare. So he has $50 to spend. It costs $5 and $2.50 per ride. How many rides can he make? All right, so we know it has to equal 50. And I have to multiply the cost times how many rides plus the admission to get in. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so if they wrote C, leave it alone. If they did not, just cross it off. 5C is, what is the LCM of 32 and 22? C is the correct answer. All right, so right now, please count up out of those 7. How many did they get correct? Please put that number at the top of their page. So out of 7, how many did they get correct? Put that number at the top of the page and circle it. Write your name at the bottom so that if there's any issues with the grading, we know who to ask or go to. And then please make sure that the substitute has collected it and put it on the green table so we can chart our progress in our L to J books and make a graph and see who got their all-time best on Monday when I get back. Hope you guys are being well behaved, and we'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys.